Yo, what up, squad? It's your boy C's, once again from the CZLife.com. And today I just wanted to kind of suspend the vlog for a little bit and give you guys some of my key insights and perspectives from this journey that I've been on so far. You know, I've been getting hit up by some of you like lovely people who are gracious enough to watch your boy do his thing. And what I really want to get, the message I want to get to you guys is, you know, it's really hard to get started, I know, but action, man. Like, this is something that I struggled with a lot. And, you know, I've been told tons like, no, this is the wrong way. This is not the way to do it. You know, everybody has their own vision and their own path. And your journey is your own. Like, the insights that you gain, you know, from that journey, you know, you take it and harness it as your own. But if you feel that there's something to share, you know, share just the insights and the perspectives that you've gained. You know, you don't have to know it all, you know, in order to start or in order to share some of your knowledge that you've accumulated. You know, I'm only 53 episodes deep, you know, and I've learned a ton and I've gotten a ton out of this journey, you know, through meditation on a daily basis to moving more. You know, your personal growth is the outcome of this whole thing, you know, like you are the message that you are trying to communicate. So that alone should just be the motivation, because the person that you become on this journey is the goal. It's not the goal itself. It's the person that you become in pursuit of that goal. And I'm becoming it, you know, as I mentioned to one of my homies that is along this journey with me, you know, and he's becoming it as well. That it is what wakes you up in the morning, is what you're doing it for, you know. Become it as opposed to just obtaining that goal, because once you reach that goal, you're only going to enjoy it for that moment. But the process of, you know, the process of pursuing that goal is just tiny moments accumulated over time. And you do not want to skip any of that. You want to be able to like be present and witness your evolution. You know, it's like an amazing thing. That's something that you can't teach or you can't see. It's something that you could feel, you know. It's crazy. Like, I wish there was an easier, simpler answer, but it's not. There's not. You know, it's like the becoming, all right? Just know that you're becoming that person that deserves that goal. You know, it's not the goal itself. And trust me, like, if you do that, the repetition of it, you know, getting your reps in, you know, if you're a gym person, you know, time under tension. That's the only way that your mental muscle is going to grow, and your physical body is going to grow as well. Like, you got to spend time under tension. Like, it doesn't matter what anybody thinks. Right now, I'm at 22 subscribers. Only an average of 4 to 5 people are watching these videos. I'm doing it for more so for me and the personal growth and those who I come in contact with, you know, and like, so far, you know, tons of people who come across me has been benefiting along with myself. So it's not just you being on this selfish path or journey. It's the people that you get to share this journey with. You know, it's not just yourself. So just get out of that mind frame, that mindset that is just you, and you're going to see some growth, man. Like, I know the message has to be said over and over, like I said, repetition. And I am going to say this and preach it over and over again, because this is the only way. And you're going to hear this message from me, from others, because everybody that you come in contact with is a teacher. You know, you are the teacher and you are the student. You're either learning or you're either teaching. And I'm going to preach this message so that it hammers home for me and it hammers home for you. All right, that's all I got for today. Hope you find some value in this. If you have any questions, man, just link me up, because this journey that I'm on is super fun. And the quicker you can start, the quicker you'll start to see your progress, and you'll start to see your evolution. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and holla at your boy.